Best sewing machines. Are you looking for the best sewing machines? In this video we will look at 5 of the best sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brothers CS7000X 70-stitch computerized sewing machine. The Brothers CS7000X is a versatile computerized sewing and quilting machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. It offers 70 built-in stitches, including utility stitches, decorative patterns, and quilting options, allowing for a wide range of creative projects. The machine also features 7 one-step buttonhole styles, making it easy to create professional-looking buttonholes with minimal effort. Equipped with an LCD display, the CS7000X allows users to easily select and adjust stitches, view settings, and monitor their progress. The large wide table provides extra space for quilting and larger projects, offering more comfort and control during use. This machine comes with 10 included feet, including a walking foot, quilting foot, zipper foot, and more, providing flexibility for various sewing tasks, from basic stitching to advanced quilting. The easy-to-use automatic needle threading and drop-in bobbin system streamline the sewing process, allowing for a hassle-free experience. The Brothers CS7000X is designed with convenience in mind, featuring variable speed control, an automatic thread cutter, and a free arm for sewing cuffs and sleeves. It also includes a hard cover for protection and portability, making it a great option for sewing on the go or storing when not in use. Overall, the Brothers CS7000X is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, feature-packed sewing and quilting machine. Its wide variety of stitches, ease of use, and inclusion of essential accessories make it a great option for anyone looking to explore sewing and quilting, whether you're just starting or are a seasoned pro. Number 2. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 is a lightweight, full-featured sewing machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. It offers 27 built-in stitches, including a variety of utility stitches, decorative options, and a one-step buttonhole for easy garment making. The machine's diverse stitch selection ensures versatility for a range of sewing projects, from basic repairs to more intricate designs. Weighing only 13 pounds, the XM2701 is highly portable, making it easy to transport for sewing classes or projects on the go. Despite its compact size, it offers excellent features for its price, including 6 included feet, such as a zigzag foot, buttonhole foot, zipper foot, and blind stitch foot, allowing users to tackle various tasks without needing to purchase additional accessories. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin system simplify the sewing process, ensuring users spend more time sewing and less time troubleshooting. The easy-to-read dial and LED lighting make adjustments quick and straightforward, while the free arm design allows for easy sewing of cuffs, sleeves, and hems. Additionally, the Brother XM2701 is equipped with variable stitch width and length adjustments, enabling fine-tuning for different fabrics and techniques. The machine also features sewing speed control, providing flexibility to suit the user's comfort level. Overall, the Brother XM2701 offers an excellent balance of features, ease of use, and portability, making it a great option for beginners or anyone looking for a reliable sewing machine for everyday tasks. Whether you're making clothes, home decor, or simple repairs, the XM2701 provides the versatility and convenience to meet your needs. Number 3. Janome Memory Craft 9850. The Janome Horizon Memory Craft 9850 is a high-performance embroidery and sewing machine designed for both hobbyists and professional sewists. It combines advanced features for versatile stitching and embroidery, making it a perfect choice for users looking to enhance their craft. With 175 built-in stitches, the MC9850 offers a wide variety of utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, catering to different sewing projects. Additionally, the machine features 200 built-in embroidery designs and the ability to import custom designs via USB. Its 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery area provides ample space for large projects, while the automatic needle threader and top-loading bobbin system simplify setup and minimize downtime. The color LCD touchscreen display makes navigation and stitch selection intuitive, offering users a clear view of their settings and a real-time preview of embroidery designs. The needle up/down and automatic thread cutter functions further enhance efficiency, allowing for smooth transitions between tasks. For embroidery enthusiasts, the Janome MC9850 offers several editing tools, including resizing, rotating, and combining designs, allowing for complete creative control. It also comes with professional-grade hooping and stabilizing accessories to ensure high-quality results in every project. The machine's superior feed system ensures consistent stitching, even with thicker fabrics or multiple layers. In addition to its sewing and embroidery functions, the Janome Horizon MemoryCraft 9850 is known for its durability and quiet operation, making it ideal for long sewing sessions. Its modern design is complemented by convenient storage compartments for accessories and tools. Overall, the Janome MC9850 is a highly capable and reliable machine, perfect for those seeking a combination of advanced embroidery features and sewing versatility, all in one user-friendly package. Number 4. Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is a durable and powerful sewing machine designed for users who require robust performance for a variety of projects. Equipped with a strong motor, the 4452 provides enhanced piercing power, allowing it to handle thick fabrics such as denim, leather, and canvas with ease. This makes it a great choice for both beginner and advanced sewists who need a machine that can tackle heavy-duty tasks. The machine offers 110 stitch applications, including essential utility stitches, decorative stitches, and a one-step buttonhole, allowing for a wide range of sewing options. Whether you're working on simple repairs or more complex garment construction, the 4452 offers the versatility to meet your needs. The full metal frame ensures the machine's stability and longevity, reducing vibration and ensuring a smooth sewing experience, even at high speeds. The LED lighting provides ample illumination, making it easier to see your work without straining your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Included with the machine is a comprehensive accessory kit, which features a variety of feet and tools to help with different sewing tasks, including zippers, quilting, and hems. The automatic needle threader and top-loading bobbin system simplify setup, reducing time spent on preparation and troubleshooting. With a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, the Singer 4452 is ideal for those looking to complete projects quickly without compromising on quality. The machine is well suited for both basic sewing tasks and more demanding applications, making it an excellent choice for users who require power, reliability, and ease of use. Overall, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 offers a great combination of power, versatility, and durability, making it a valuable tool for home sewers, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Number 5. Brother XR 9550 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine is a versatile and computerized machine designed for both sewing enthusiasts and quilters. With 165 built-in stitches, it offers an extensive selection of options, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, making it ideal for a wide range of sewing projects, from basic repairs to intricate quilt designs. The machine also includes 8 presser feet, providing versatility for tasks such as zippers, buttonholes, quilting, and more. The LCD display simplifies the sewing process by providing easy access to stitch selection, settings, and adjustments. This intuitive interface allows users to quickly navigate through the various features and make changes on the fly. Additionally, the machine's wide table offers ample space for larger quilting projects and ensures more comfortable sewing, especially when working with bulkier fabrics or multiple layers. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine is equipped with features like an automatic needle threader, a jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin, and adjustable stitch length and width, making the sewing experience faster and more efficient. The machine also offers a free arm design for easy sewing of cuffs, sleeves, and hems, and speed control for fine-tuning the sewing pace. The compact design of the machine, measuring 20 by 12 by 17, makes it easy to store or transport, while its sturdy build ensures durability and long-term reliability. The included accessories, combined with its ease of use, make it an excellent choice for both beginners and more experienced sewists looking for a machine capable of handling a variety of projects. Overall, the Brother Sewing and Quilting machine is a highly functional and user-friendly option, offering a wide range of features that make sewing and quilting easier, faster, and more enjoyable.